Let's get into the central flood threat, right? These are the same areas time and time again, not only days, but weeks of continuous rain. So it leads to visuals like this. You got Tulsa, Oklahoma, people gathering around, pushing them uphill both ways in the rain, getting the dog and the pup helping as well. This was just yesterday. They had numerous motorists that were stranded in the flood waters because of that. They had more than 7 inches of rain. Now, that was one aspect. But then they had a derecho earlier in the week that destroyed a couple's home in Oklahoma. Take a listen to what they had to say.
You always hear, you hear all these tornadoes and stuff, but never your own home. So we were very blessed. The good Lord was watching out for us.
All right, so the derecho is widespread. It's long-lived, and it's a fast-moving complex of severe thunderstorms. It's really a massive straight-line wind event that goes on for hundreds of miles. So as we look at some of that damage there, you can see why people in Oklahoma, the last thing they want to deal with is any amount of rain or storms. We'll be timing that out. But look at this. Traffic light was no match for the damaging wind by the powerful storm in Oklahoma City just yesterday. And so you start thinking about it's not just residents, but even the government getting out, starting to look at how do they work on all of these different areas. By the way, that traffic light may seem like, okay, that's an individual event. That's I-40. That's a massive interstate. You want to try to fix that as quickly as possible. Beyond just the damaging wind, look at this. Since Tuesday, so no time at all, you're looking at over a half foot of rain for most of these locations, some spots eclipsing 10 inches of rain. So what that does, it makes this entire area waterlogged. So now they have the flood alerts that are in place. The flood watch in that darker green goes all the way through Saturday. So we're not talking about one day, another 3 to 4 days. We have the PWA, right? The variable moisture. You can see this blue pocket. That's where you have the abundance of that, the enrichment in the atmosphere. Anything that destabilizes that is going to get kind of a deluge of rain. Right now, it's all confined to that I-10 corridor towards Mobile. That's what we were showing you. Isolated storms fighting their way through the Ozarks. Those are dissolving, falling apart. Isolated storms that are forming in the Red River region. My big concern is actually what's happening out in the Rockies and the Four Corners region. It's in the Intermountain West. That's the factory for all of these storms. And then overnight, even though they stay sub-severe, they continue to drift into these areas of the central and southern plains and get more rain. Now, when you're looking at the rain QPF, you'll find pocket areas in that yellow 2 to 3 inches of rain. May not seem like a lot, but cumulatively, it's too much so far for these communities.